Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to the BNB whitepaper. Are you looking to understand the core concepts of the BNB whitepaper? In this guide, we'll break down the top 10 most important points of the whitepaper so you can understand how the BNB platform works. BNB is a blockchain-based platform designed to facilitate the development and execution of decentralized applications, or dApps. It also provides a cryptocurrency, BNB, which is used to pay for the services and fees associated with the platform. Now, let's dive into the top 10 most important points of the BNB whitepaper. Number 1. BNB tokens are used to pay for the services and fees associated with the platform. They are also used for trading, as well as to provide liquidity for the platform. Number 2. BNB uses a consensus mechanism known as Delegated Proof of Stake, or DPS, to validate transactions and secure the network. Number 3. BNB provides a user-friendly development platform and extensive support for developers. This includes tools for creating and deploying dApps, as well as comprehensive documentation. Number 4. BNB has an incentivized staking system, which rewards users for staking their tokens. Number 5. BNB features a two-token system, with BNB tokens and BNB BEP2 tokens. Number 6. BNB has a decentralized exchange, or DEX, which allows users to trade tokens without relying on a third party. Number 7. BNB has implemented a number of features to ensure the security of the platform, including secure storage, anti-fraud measures, and a system of smart contracts. Number 8. BNB has implemented a system of rewards and incentives to encourage user engagement and adoption. Number 9. BNB has an extensive network of partners and developers, which helps to increase the reach and adoption of the platform. Number 10. BNB has a well-funded and experienced team, which is constantly working to improve the platform and add new features. By understanding the top 10 points of the BNB whitepaper, you can gain a better understanding of how the platform works and how it can benefit you. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions about investing in the cryptocurrency market. Thanks for watching.